Hi friends, this is Sarojin here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today let us discuss how to troubleshoot ASPATH Prepend. So ASPATH Prepend is applied outbound dictating the best inbound path. So this is an architecture where I connected R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 and R6. So these three routers I connected in autonomous system number 1 and R4, R5 and R6 I connected in autonomous system number 2. So to show the inbound traffic into an AS, right, I have connected the separate PCs to R2, R1 and R3. These are the PCs which is connected in different subnet. This is in 28 subnet, this is in 29 and 30th subnet. So R2 has established an EBGB neighbor relationship with R4. See, both are in the different autonomous system number. Similarly, R3 has established an EBGB neighbor relationship with R5. So since it is an ASPATH prepend, so I have to always apply this traffic outbound. So I'm going to apply the ASPATH prepend on R2 and R3. So I'm going to show how to apply the ASPATH prepend attribute. So before that, what we can do, let us go to the individual routers R2, and this is the traffic routing table. Show IP BGP. So this will show the routing update, and it is showing all the network advertised, right? So this star and greater. Star is a valid route and this is a best route. So 192.168.12 series, 13, 24, 28, 28 and 29 is for host, and 46 and 56 are the remote networks. So which we are seeing advertised in the R2 BGP routing table. Similarly, let us go to R3. So R3 and let us check show IP BGP. So we are able to see all the routes advertised. So now what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show how to create the ASPATH prepend attribute. So let us go to R2, go to the configuration mode. So route map. I'm going to create the route map statement. So route map AS. So let us make it as AS path and permit 10. Then I'm going to prepend. So before that, what we can do, I already created the access list. Let us do match IP address. Access list number is 60. So set AS path prepend. So let us make it as 1, 1 and 1. So you have to influence the inbound traffic, right? So what I'm going to do, we have to prepend its own autonomous system number. So that is the purpose I'm going to, what is the plan is I'm going to make this as a highest preferred path. So that is the reason I'm prepending with lesser autonomous system number, right? Prepend its own autonomous system number. So this path is less preferred because only the less number of autonomous system number I'm prepending. And the other path, right, I'm going to make it as high preferred because that path will not preferred by the outbound traffic. So let us go to, now let us exit, and then I'm going to route map statement 20, and let us make this path as a highest path 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what it will do, right? Always it will prefer this path. So which path it is going to prefer? Let us do a access list. Show IP access list 60. So what it will do for 28 and 29 traffic, right? It will take this path as a preferred path. So that what means this particular AS path prepend I'm going to apply to this outbound traffic. So always this path it will take for 28 and 29 from R6 it will take this path to reach these corresponding PCs. So the remaining path it will take via this path. So for example 30 it will take via this path. So that's the thing I'm just prepending this own autonomous system number. So that is the purpose of AS path prepend. So now let us go ahead and let us apply to the traffic, right? So let us go to show run configuration. So let us see the configuration how we have done. So this is a configuration I have done. Router BGP1. So neighbor is 19, network is 190.168.12.0, 24, 28. So the 28 is for this PC, right? And 190.168.12.1 remote AS is 1. So this is for IBGB, and remote AS2 is for EBGB neighbor relationship. So I'm going to apply this AS path, what I created the route map statement. I am going to apply to this corresponding traffic. So always you have to apply on the outbound traffic, right? So I'm going to apply. How to do that? Go to route configuration mode. So router BGP1 and neighbor 192.168.24.2, right? So this is IP 24.2. Then apply this route map. Route map is AS path. AS path. We out of out is nothing but I'm going to apply on outbound path. So already I created the route map, right? This is the route map I created. So let us see. Show route map. See, this is a route map I created, and the access list I created 60. The set class is AS path 111. This is a less preferred path, and the other one, which is second sequence 20, is highest preferred path, right? So this is the two difference I have done. So now once I have created it, then you'll come to know how the traffic is taking. So now I applied it on R2. So now I'm going to apply it on R3. So let us now create it on similar way on R3. So this is the access list I have created for R2. R2, let us go to R2, show IP access list. So access list is 28 and 29 traffic. So whichever the traffic R6 is taking, if your R6 want to reach this corresponding host, it will take this as a preferred path because that is an autonomous system. I make this as a less preferred path. So what happen R6 when it want to reach PC2 or PC1, it will take this as a preferred because this is less preferred and this is the highest preferred. I set it like that. So similar way, let us create the same thing on R3. So let us go to R3, go to the configuration mode. So route map, AS path, and we'll make it as permit 10. So the match IP address I have given us access list number is 60. So set AS path prepend is 111 less preferred, then exit. Then let us create a second sequence. So whichever is not matching, it will fall into this category. That's the thing I'm doing. So now set AS path prepend 11111. You can give as many as you want. So I given. So now this is the access list I have set. Show IP access list 60. So what it does is whatever 30 traffic, right? If they from R6 if we want to reach 30 traffic, it will take via this path. So that is the thing I have done, and the remaining thing it will go via this path. So that is the thing I make for 30 traffic. I make this as a less preferred. That is the thing I have set it in route map. A is path prepend 111. So I have set it. So now we are going to apply on this outbound paths because A is path prepend. We have to apply on this outbound path. So go to the configuration mode router BGP1 and the neighbor is 192.168.35.2 and the route map statement is AS path, right? That is AS path and out is for outbound. So now I have done with the configuration. So now let us view the configuration from R2 and R3. So for a better understanding, let us do a show run. See, this is the thing I have done, show run. So I applied on this route map statement 24.1, right? That is a neighbor statement I applied on the outbound traffic. 191.24.2 route map AS path. So for this AS path, I have done like this. Route map AS path permit 10. That's the first statement. It will match the access list. Access list is 28 and 29 traffic. It will take this as a less preferred path. 24.1 it is going to reach. So that's the thing I have done. So the remaining I make it as more preferred. So always it prefers the shortest AS path, right? So similar way, let us view in R3 configuration. Go to show run. Show run configuration. So what I have done, router BGP1. So the neighbor and 35.2. So I applied on this outbound path. 35.2 remote AS2, right? That's the autonomous system number 2. And again 35.2 route map AS path out. So the similar way I have done AS path and this access list I have done for only 30 traffic. So the 30 traffic will take this as a preferred inbound path because this is a less preferred. So R6 for reaching either 28 or 29 will take this as a less preferred path. For reaching 30 traffic, it will take this as a less preferred path. So that is a path attribute I have set in R2 and R3. So after doing this, what you have to do, you have to just apply the statements. You have to do a soft reset. How to do that? So I'm going to show clear IP BGP. So I'm going to apply on this outbound path, right? So clear IP BGP 24.2 soft in and I have to do soft out. So both the ways I'm doing reset. So this will not hard reset. It will only do the soft reset. I have done it. Similar way, let us go to R3. R3 and do that. R3. So now let us do the clear. See clear IP BGP 35.2 soft out and soft in. This is a command you have to do. So this is outbound path. This is outbound traffic, right? And soft is nothing but a soft reset, and out is for outbound. So this is the thing I have done. So now let us see the path from R6. That's the thing I'm going to show you. So from R6, because AS path prepend will always apply on outbound, and it is used to prefer the best inbound path into an AS. So we have to always consider the traffic from R6, how it is traffic flow is going via PC2, PC1 and PC3. So now let us go to R6 and let us do the show IP BGP. See now the traffic has been applied and you are able to see now. So for reaching this 28 traffic, this 28 PC and 29 PC, you can see the traffic flow. So 28 it is taking 24.1 as a less preferred path. You are able to see, right? This is a less preferred. This because this I prepend its own autonomous number, and I make this the shortest path. So that's the thing. 28 is taking the traffic via 24.1 to reach this PC2. Similar way, 29 it is taking via 24.1. Same way because less preferred path. So remaining things it is more, make it as more preferred, right? And similar way for reaching 30 traffic for R6 for reaching this 30.2, it is taking 35.1 as a less preferred path. You're able to see, right? Star and greater than. So now let us do the trace, right? So let us do a trace 192.168.30.2. That is a PC of this PC3. Just I am doing a trace from R6. You are able to see, right? It is tracing by 56.1, then it is 35.1, that is reaching. This traffic is reaching. So 28. Now let us trace 28.2 and 29.2. I hope you are understanding. So 28.2, it will take this path, 46.1, then 24.1, then it is taking via this path. Similar way, let us see 29.2. You are able to see, right? 28 and 29, it is taking this as a next hop interface and it is taking this path. 28 is taking this path and 29 is also taking this path and 30 only taking this path. That is the way I have set the attribute for ASPATH Prepend. So always ASPATH Prepend will prefer the shortest AS path. So that is the traffic flow you are seeing here, right? So 28 is taking this as a less preferred path. And because we have set the route map statement, right? This I make it as most preferred and one thing I always make it as less preferred. So this I always prefer the shortest AS path. So that is the purpose of ASPATH Prepend. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.